Hi, this is Ambrose from Pulsar Gaming Gears. Today I'll introduce and show you how to use our new keyboard, the Xboard QS. Let's dive right in. The Xboard QS's most important feature, quick switch, is its ability to connect to two different setups. So for example, you have one gaming PC on one side and you can stream on another PC while using the same keyboard and the same mouse. Let's go through the 4 different connection ports available on the Xboard QS. So what you want to do is connect your first computer on the first USB-C port and your second computer on the second USB-C port. The USB-A ports are used to connect other devices, such as your mouse, that you also want to be able to use on both computers and switch from one another. Once you're all connected, all you need to do is use the plus button to control your first PC and use the X button to control the second one. The Xboard QS can be used with both Windows and Mac OS, and you can switch between OS layouts simply by using the OS mode switch key. You can check some of your current settings with the LED indicators on the Xboard QS. You have the LEDs below the spacebar. If they're blue, it means you're in Windows mode, and if they're red, it means you're in Mac OS mode. The LED will show on the left if you're connected to the first PC, and on the right if you're connected to the second one. The LED will turn off when disconnected to the PC. The knob is mainly used to adjust the volume, but you can also adjust the RGB lighting's luminosity by turning it while holding the FN key. You can also adjust the RGB luminosity by using the FN key and the up and down arrows. You can also turn off the RGB lighting completely by holding the FN key and pressing the backspace. However, this will also turn off all the settings LEDs, such as the cap indicator. So if you want to turn off all the RGB lightings and keep the indicators, simply dim the luminosity all the way down. You can even adjust the indicator's luminosity by holding the FN key and pressing B. While holding the FN key, use the side arrow keys and the 6 keys above to customize your backlight effects. So you can adjust the saturation with insert and delete. You can adjust the colors with home and end. You can go through different patterns using page up and page down. And you can adjust the speed using the side arrow keys. Here are some other useful things you can do while holding the FN key. You can use your keyboard as a mouse, WASD for movement, Q and E for clicks, C and Z for side buttons, X, R and F for scrolling. Turn N key rollover on and off by using the plus and minus keys. Lock the Win key so you don't have to worry about accidentally pressing it while gaming. You can factory reset your keyboard by holding the FN key and the escape key for 5 seconds. And lastly, you can set up to 2 different macros directly on your keyboard using the backtick key 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here's how you do it. First, hold the FN key and press 1. The backtick key will start blinking, indicating that your macro is recording. There, you just input whatever you want your macro to do. Once you're done, hold the FN key and press the backtick key. Now your macro is saved. To run it, hold the FN key and press 3. And then you can save a second one by using 2 to record and 4 to run it. If you want to set up macros and RGB lightings on your desktop, the Xboard QS does support third-party apps like VIA and Remap. So there you have it, the Xboard QS. Enjoy your gaming and your streaming, and I'll see you next time.